Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to add background music to a video in Capcut. First, open Capcut on your mobile phone or tablet and create a new project. Import the video clip you want to edit by clicking on the Import button and selecting your video file. Some songs are copyrighted, which means using them on your social media accounts can lead to your content being deleted or banned. To avoid this, use copyright-free music. Now, let's add background music to your video. We will start by recording the music using the screen recorder built into your mobile phone. Go to YouTube and find the song you want to use. Make sure it's copyright-free. Pause the video at the beginning of the song. Then, swipe down the screen to access the control center and click on the record button. Record the entire song or the specific part you want to use. The video and audio will be saved to your gallery on your mobile device. Next, go back to your Capcut project. Click on the audio icon at the bottom of the screen. Then, select Extracted to import the recorded audio. Choose the screen recording you just made and click Import Sound Only. This will import only the audio from the screen recording. You can now see the audio track in your timeline. Trim the audio to fit your video by dragging the ends of the audio track. Adjust the volume by clicking on the audio track and selecting volume. You can make the music louder or quieter as needed. Play back your video to ensure the music fits well with your content. Make any final adjustments to the audio and video as needed. When you're happy with your edit, click on the Export button at the top right corner of the screen. Choose your desired resolution and settings, then click Export to save your video. That's it. You now know how to add background music to a video in Capcut. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.